Travel tales, presents, discovering Asia, journey through the world's largest continent. As the sun rises over the Mekong Delta, a golden hue blankets the lush landscape, signaling the start of yet another vibrant day. You embark on a small wooden boat, gliding through the misty waterways, surrounded by the sounds of nature awakening from slumber. The air is fragrant with the scent of blooming lotus flowers, while dragonflies dart like jewels above the surface of the water, adding to the enchanting atmosphere. Locals wave from their riverside homes, their smiles radiating warmth and hospitality, inviting you to relish in their daily routines. You pause to watch a group of children joyfully splashing in the river, their laughter echoing, filling your heart with the simplicity of unfiltered joy amidst the beauty of rural life. The boat meanders onward, revealing scenes of industrious farmers tending to their crops, showcasing the harmonious relationship between community and land. The journey continues as you navigate deeper into the Mekong Delta, where a majestic thatched roof market appears along the riverbank. Vendors enthusiastically display their vibrant produce, from tropical fruits to handmade crafts, their voices mingling in a cheerful symphony. You step onto solid ground, the earthy scent of fresh produce enveloping you as you explore the stalls, engaging with the local artisans who proudly share stories about their crafts. Each interaction offers a glimpse into the heart of this collaborative culture, where every item has a story, a history, and a place within the community. A sense of connection washes over you as you sample ripe jackfruit and sip on cool coconut water, each taste reinforcing the bond between the land and its people. Excitement fills the air as you participate in a traditional cooking class, guided by an experienced local chef, eager to share the secrets of authentic Vietnamese cuisine. The kitchen buzzes with energy as you gather fresh ingredients, vibrant herbs, and aromatic spices, each one a treasure from the market. The chef skillfully demonstrates how to prepare classic dishes like spring rolls and succulent pho, weaving in stories of their origins and significance in Vietnamese culture. As you chop, stir, and taste, the fragrant aromas envelop you, transforming the cooking space into a sensory haven. Laughter fills the air, mingling with the sizzle of ingredients sizzling in the pan, as fellow participants share their own stories and experiences. Together, you create a vibrant feast that celebrates not only the art of cooking but also the shared joy of community. When the time comes to sit down and enjoy the meal you've crafted, you feel a profound sense of accomplishment, a connection that transcends time and geography through the love of food and cultural exchange. Each bite of the dishes possesses a unique narrative, reminding you of the warmth and richness of Vietnam's culture, forever etched in your heart. With your meal concluded, you step outside to find the sun descending towards the horizon, casting a warm golden light that dances across the river's surface. The sky shifts into a canvas of vibrant oranges and purples, and the gentle sounds of nature echo around you, inviting quiet reflection on the day's adventures. As the last rays of sunlight embrace the landscape, you once again board your boat, this time to witness the ethereal beauty of sunset over the Mekong. The serene waters mirror the brilliant sky, creating a breathtaking panorama that speaks to the soul. The rhythmic sounds of water lapping against the boat accompany your thoughts, reminding you that this journey through Vietnam has been a tapestry of experiences, memories, and newfound friendships. As darkness descends, lanterns begin to flicker on the riverbanks, illuminating the night and adding magic to the serene ambience, making your heart swell with gratitude for the moments shared in this captivating land. As you glide along the tranquil waters, the soft whispers of the evening breeze carry with them the laughter of locals gathering for a nightly celebration. The air is filled with the scents of grilled seafood and savory spring rolls, enticing you to explore further. You steer your boat closer to the bustling riverside, where tables overflow with colorful dishes, each one a reflection of the region's rich culinary heritage. Street performers captivate the crowd with their melodies, further enriching the vibrant tapestry that surrounds you. Embracing the moment, you revel in experiencing not just the flavors, but the heartbeat of the community, reminding you that every journey brings a deeper understanding of the culture that thrives here. As you savor the delicate flavors of the dishes before you, the laughter and chatter of the locals envelop you, creating a lively backdrop to this feast of camaraderie. Each mouthful transports you deeper into the essence of Vietnamese cuisine, where fresh ingredients harmonize effortlessly. The evening unfolds with stories exchanged over shared plates, igniting discussions that bridge gaps between cultures and experiences. You're struck by how food becomes a universal language, sparking connections that resonate far beyond the table. As the night progresses, the vibrant sounds of traditional music begin to fill the air, beckoning you to join in the joyfulness of a local dance. Enthusiastic locals invite you to participate, and in this moment, you know that the heart of Vietnam lies not just in its picturesque landscapes, but in the warmth of its community. The joyous atmosphere envelops you, filling your heart with a sense of belonging. The rhythmic beats of the music beckon you to let loose, guiding your feet to join the dance, where laughter and joy intertwine with the night. As your journey through Vietnam culminates, the memories of breathtaking landscapes, captivating cultures, and shared laughter remain etched in your heart. Each encounter has woven a rich tapestry of experiences that not only highlight the beauty of this remarkable nation, but also reveal the profound connections formed along the way. Vietnam has truly invited you to embrace its magic, igniting a yearning for future adventures.